EHC systems with fire-resistant fluids have been the Achilles heel for steam turbine users for decades. The complexity of turbine EHC systems requires a multifaceted approach to maintenance and monitoring of lubricants. EPT Clean Oil has worked diligently for decades to offer comprehensive solutions and unparalleled lab support to complement. Our goal with the ECR 10,000 was to combine multiple technologies that would yield a comprehensive turnkey solution. We are pleased to release the ECR 10,000, our newest EHC-focused kidney loop filtration system that offers combined 4 proven technologies in one simple to operate and maintain package. EPT Clean Oil systems are designed with the maintenance personnel in mind. All wetted components are manufactured with corrosion-resistant stainless steel. Each vessel is ASME code and CRN certified. Our hardware and tray assemblies are manufactured from heavy-gauge steel with chemically resistant epoxy coatings. On board, we've deployed multiple technologies in concert with proprietary PLC controls that make the system simple and effective to operate. The ECR 10,000 boasts the following technologies. TMRN2 nitrogen generator aids in blanketing the reservoir headspace with high purity inert gas. The 12,000 volt electrostatic contamination removal is designed to target submicronic insoluble carbon deposits that impact MPC values. Our patented ICB ion exchange technology designed to remove acids and phenols and varnish potential, all the while improving your fluid resistivity. High efficiency particulate filtration designed to effectively remove any of the trace contaminants propagated during phase 2 and 3 of the filtration process. All these technologies integrated by an intuitive proprietary PLC control system. A few unique features on the ECR 10,000 include automatic drain down cycles designed for maintenance events and with step-by-step prompts. We also have programmable maintenance intervals tailored to your fluid analysis with overall system health in mind. EPT Clean Oil continues to deliver effective thought solutions that optimize fluid performance, increase uptime, and simplify your lubricant chemistry management.